You may have heard that there is a new public charge rule this year, 2021, and you are correct. Listen to this video for the latest information on public charge. First, the Immigration Service evaluates certain immigrants, including those who are applying for permanent residence, to see if they will be a public charge. That is, if the person will depend on the government for support in the future. Under the current rule, immigration officials consider many factors about a person to see if the person could end up dependent on the government and therefore not be allowed to have a green card. The government will consider both positive and negative factors about you, including your age, education, health, skills, and more. Use of public benefits is just one of those factors. Second, under the new public charge rule, the Immigration Service will not consider any nutrition or health programs that you and your family members use. They are also not going to consider programs that pay you one-time money, meaning any money that is temporary or for a specific purpose. You or your family members can use the following programs without any negative impact on your immigration application: Medicaid, the ACA or Obamacare, WIC, SNAP or food stamps, free lunch at school or PEBT benefits, stimulus checks during the pandemic, one-time rental assistance, for example, the HOPE program in North Carolina, public housing, benefits for victims of natural disasters like FEMA, and many more. The only exception to this rule is that Medicaid is considered negatively if you are living in a hospital, nursing home, or long-term care facility for the long term. You can use any other nutrition or health program without any negative effect, and you and your family can and should continue to use those benefits and programs if you are eligible. Third, under the new rule, there are very few programs that the Immigration Service will consider negatively. Basically, the only programs that exist in North Carolina that the Immigration Service will consider negatively are SSI, Financial Assistance for People with Disabilities, TANF, Monthly Financial Assistance for Low-Income Families, and Medicaid, but only if you live in the hospital or a nursing home for the long term. Normally, immigration will only consider these three benefits if you use them for you, not for your family members. However, if your children or family members use one of these three benefits, and these are the only income your family has, immigration may consider that negatively on your immigration application. Fourth, the public charge rule does not apply to many categories of immigrants. This includes those who already have a green card and are applying for citizenship, refugees, asylees, those applying for a U visa for victims of crime, victims of human trafficking, victims of domestic violence, applicants for DACA renewal, and more. People in these categories do not need to worry about public charge at all. Fifth, benefit programs are often essential to providing healthcare and nutritious meals to ourselves and our families. If you want to obtain a green card in the future, you and your family members can use health and nutrition programs without any effect on your immigration application. Please speak with an immigration attorney, a public benefits expert, or consult more resources online on the North Carolina Justice Center website at the link seen here.